Viewers and subscribers, on the 14th of October this year, I surpassed the 200,000 subscribers mark milestone. And I want to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single individual who, for whatever reason, chose to subscribe to the channel. I am most appreciative. Since the day I started this channel, the 21st of August 2016, I have come a far way. The channel was started with my trusty Samsung Galaxy Note 4 and this Samsung tablet. And man, how things have changed.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
So the people who have been here from the early stages of the journey can recall the breaker box and the world map settings out in the living room. And as I mentioned before, everything back then was done using this phone. Recording the videos, editing the videos, uploading the videos, every single thing. And I used a script and read from this Samsung tablet. I remember back then we used to get a lot of criticism. People used to come and say, oh boy, you say you're a teacher and you can't read. Move from yourself. Hey boy, you need to go sell bag juice and banana chips. Yo family, you need to go try the farming something. Yo my G, me see you come on YouTube and try to get rich. You got dead for hungry. Look on him, both him a teacher and he can't read. I want to some man, some waste man. And reading those comments, I used to smile because I knew what was going to happen. I knew what was coming. I knew what I wanted to achieve. I saw the vision and I was prepared to make the sacrifices, to take the knocks and to work towards it. So we used to sit out in the living room with the phone placed on some shoes box at eye level so I can see the phone. And you know, because the lighting was so poor, I had to use the phone light, right? Plus I'm reading from the tablet. So when I look in the phone light and look down on the tablet, I now see nothing. When I go up, boom, 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 and read something, I look up back in the phone light, fine, that might okay. But when I'm looking at the phone light for a couple of seconds, because I look at the camera, see, and I look down up on the tablet, I'm blind, I can't see nothing. And by the time your eye clear up like, and before you see it, you know, you pause a little bit and you probably stutter a little bit and you're blind for a short while. And you probably stumble upon a few words. Man come and say, yo, brother, you can't read, move from yourself. But as I said, early days, you know what I mean, those were the hard lessons. And I knew what was going on. I knew what I was working towards. And I remained consistent. I made the sacrifices. I put in the work. And now I am here. With my YouTube journey, I take nothing for granted. I appreciate all the people who would have subscribed in the past and have unsubscribed for various reasons. For the people who have been watching the content and not subscribing for various reasons, we appreciate it. For the people that were there day in, day out, we appreciate it. Because the breaker box, the world map, the Note 4, the Samsung tablet days, the poor lighting, the poor audio days, those were the formative years when we didn't understand the thing, when we didn't know the thing. And I would have learned so many things along the way. And 99% of the things that I have learned by either going to do the research or trial and error. And having over 201,000 subscribers now is a joy for me, right? I look back on those days and I smile. When I walk into the studio in the day, in the mornings or in the evenings or whenever time, I smile. Seeing the reward of my hard work, my sacrifices, my sleepless nights, my continuous reinvestment, my continued efforts to improve how I deliver content, my diction, my pronunciations, my enunciations, my editing, my equipment. Now, from humble beginnings, we are able to do a variety of things, a multitude of things. So I posted a picture of the Note 4 and the Samsung tablet on Instagram earlier with the caption. The caption kind of lengthy. I remember everything off the top of my head. I get old too, so I'll read it. This is how I started my YouTube channel in 2016. And believe me, the early days were rough and the struggles were many and very real. But I have overcome and now I can shoot multi-camera interviews, cover almost any type of event, live stream at a professional level, restream any event, edit any type of content, capture aerial footage, underwater footage, driving footage. I can mic for almost any situation, light many different locations. And whatever I can't do presently, I will be able to do so soon enough. Pursue and follow through on your dreams. Let no one distract or deter you. Don't feed into negative energies and dismiss the doubters. Dreams can be realized. So that is an overview of the progress that we have made. How far we have come, and I am not an ostentatious person. I don't normally show off my things. But this can be used and should be used as motivation and encouragement for people out there looking on who want to start a channel but don't know where to start. Start with what you have. For those who have started and are struggling and I say, yo, this thing hard and it not work out and I not get no views, stick with it. Don't give up. I never just come on YouTube and got popular. I never just come on YouTube and my videos were amassing many views. There are many 1,000 views and sub 1,000 view videos. Many sub 2,000 view videos. You understand? So I put in the work, I remain patient. I never just jump on YouTube and think I'm going to make some money overnight. You understand what I say? I understood that you have to start somewhere, you have to take your licks and you have to put in the work. For the people who are out there who have a dream, or who have dreams, whatever the dream is or the dreams are, the greatest step you can take towards the attainment and achievement of your dreams is to start. And if it is YouTube, start with what you have. I started with a phone and I use that phone for over a year. And there's far more information out there now versus when I start for people who are starting. Right? So you can start with a phone and the quality of your videos, people wouldn't even know say a phone you use because of how good phones have gotten these days. So to the ones out there who would have taken time to encourage, to criticize, to contribute, to watch, to view, to comment, to share, to like the video, the content, and who continue coming back. I appreciate the ones them. You understand? This thing not easy. And the people them out there who do that something, especially the people them who do the YouTube thing and also have a 9-to-5 job, them know the challenges and the difficulties. But we out here, we continue to put in the work and we appreciate every single one of you. All 201,000+ subscribers and the thousands of people who would have unsubscribed from the channel. I appreciate the ones them too, because at some point in time you are a part of the family, you chose to leave for whatever reason, but I appreciate the contribution that you would have made before you left. Give thanks. I open a look on the thing and realize you really and truly need to come back here, sir, because a positive thing we have over here. So peeps, pursue your dreams, pursue your goals. Don't make people distract and deter you. You understand? Don't feed into, as me say, the negative energy and the doubtful Thomases. People are going to tell us, yo, that not going to work. You understand? Try it for yourself. If it don't work, you try it again. Don't give up. Teach them. I'm out.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.